It's currently 6 a.m. and I'm about to shower. I have makeup on from last night. Yeah, I fell asleep with makeup on. But I am going to color my hair using this Glamworks long-lasting color. It's a permanent hair dye color. So I have three color options right here. I have dark ash brown, this one. I also have dark mahogany, and I also have dark brown. It's 49 pesos. That's super affordable. So I'm about to hop in the shower, and I'm going to use, I think, dark mahogany because I just want like a reddish hair color, so I hope it will last. But yeah, today I'm gonna use this to color my hair. Again, this is Glamworks long lasting color. It's a permanent hair dye color, and I'm going to use the shade dark mahogany. And this is ammonia free, easy to prepare. It has gloves inside, and it colors your hair in just 20 minutes. So this is my hair before. I used the L'Oreal Ultralight Ash Brown. Yeah, so this is it. As you can see, my roots are starting to show up. So I am back, and I actually really love the result. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it really turned like a dark mahogany color, but yeah, I lost the blonde color and it's now kind of red. It actually looks more red on camera than it is in real life. By the way, I have to whisper because I'm sleeping. So yeah, I used the Glamworks long lasting color, the shade dark mahogany, and as you can see, this is the model and this is my hair, and it's very similar, or it actually looks exactly the same on camera. Like, oh my gosh, it looks really nice, and I'm just really shocked that for 49 pesos it was actually able to change my hair color. I thought it's not going to be effective. I thought my hair will stay the same, but they said this is a permanent hair color, so it should last for a long time. And I just really love the result because I just didn't expect it to get this result from this. It kind of reminds me so much of the Lise bubble hair color. This is actually better because, of course, it's only 49 pesos, and you can get this from Watsons. And you're supposed to use this with slightly wet hair. So I did this in the shower, and it took me like literally 30 minutes. So it's not difficult to use, but it's messy. Definitely, it's a lot easier to use than normal hair dye. I'm sorry if you can hear when we're sleeping, but yeah. You're supposed to use this again for slightly wet hair, and I did that. I actually made my hair too wet, so I had to squeeze off the excess water from my hair, and then I applied this. At first it was white, like I was starting to make foam, but it was white. But I was like, how is this supposed to color my hair in like a mahogany shade if this is white? But like every 5 minutes it just turns darker and more red. This is the dark ash brown, and this is the dark brown, and I was gonna use this one, but I just don't want my hair to look black, so I went for this one, and I not regretting it at all because I really love the result. What's great about this is that you can use this in the shower, so you don't have to do it in your room or your kitchen or anywhere else. You have your comfort of your own bathroom. All you have to do is just remove your clothes, hop in the shower, and just shampoo your hair with this. What I did was, like I said, I just wet my hair, and I tried to finish the packaging. My hand was completely red after after 10 minutes. Like, the color will transform after 10 minutes. You will see it. I wore the gloves, and I just massaged the product into my hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside. So this is the shade dark ash brown. This one is unopened, so we just get this sticker as a seal, And then when you remove this, you get only two things. So you get the actual hair dye, this one, and this is the shampoo, permanent hair dye color, and you're going to shampoo your hair with this. And then this is the gloves that it came with. And a lot of people said that this dried up their hair, and yes, it's going to dry up your hair the first time you rinse it, because it's just a hair color. Like, you shouldn't expect too much from something that is only 49 pesos. It does what it claims to do. It's a hair color, but it didn't say anything that it's going to moisturize your hair after. Like, a lot of brands make your hair feel soft after you color your hair, but it's more expensive. But this one is only 49 pesos. All you have to do is to use your hair conditioner. I use my hair mask. I have a very affordable hair mask. I forgot what brand, but you can just use any hair mask or any hair conditioner, and it's going to moisturize your hair. It didn't dry up my hair, as you can see. It looks very shiny. It's not drying at all. It didn't sting my eyes. It didn't sting my scalp as well. It's just very, very comfortable to use, and I just really love this because like I said, it's very effective. It was able to color my hair. I really love the result and I don't regret it. I always say, I said in my past videos about the L'Oreal hair dye, and I actually forgot to do a video about the Revlon Color Silk hair dye in the shade dark brown or like light brown, but I was kind of disappointed because I didn't get the result that I want. But this one, for 49 pesos, what more can you ask for? But if you're just looking for something that will turn your hair darker, like from blonde you want to go to a darker shade, they have a black color, and they also have this dark brown. They also have dark ash brown, and some girl on YouTube said that this made her hair look black. So if you are looking for something that's not too harsh, you can go for this one. Oh, like almost 10, and this is how the hair looks like under natural lighting. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite hair color in a long time. So usually when I buy my own hair dye, like I didn't go to the salon, I'm usually disappointed. But this time, this is like the first time in a long time that I'm very, very satisfied with my hair color. This is the hair color that I used, and as you can see, it looks exactly the same as the girl's hair on the photo. Oh my gosh, it's not always like that. Like sometimes when I buy like from Revlon or L'Oreal, the hair color of the model looks different from the results that I get. So this time I'm so happy. For only 49 pesos, oh my gosh, like I can't even complain. Plus it's not painful to use. It's kind of messy because the bubble will turn red, but other than that, it's just the easiest hair color to use. It's almost exactly the same as those expensive bubble hair colors. I've tried one from Lise, the Lise bubble hair color, and that one is like 500 pesos, like almost 500 pesos. This one is only 49 pesos, guys. 49 pesos. Oh my gosh, where can you find that? And I'm pretty sure that this color is the shade that always like gets out of stock, because it's actually like the best that they have. Others are like dark. I wish they have like lighter shades, but this is the one that I really, really like. So I'm gonna ask Honor, what do you think of my hair?
I love it. Best color until now.
Best?
What I mean, complete until now.
Yeah, I was actually looking for this hair color for a long time. So I'm gonna go to Watson's and buy more. That's why we're out. And actually Dad used it also like an hour ago, and he has white hair on the front part of his hair, and now it's completely covered. He used the dark ash brown, and it looked so good after. So yeah. So I went back to Watson's and I got 6 backups of the dark mahogany because I really, really like this color. I'm scared that it will get out of stock. And then here are some of the other colors that they have: light brown, dark caramel brown, another light brown, and then dark ash brown. This is the color that my dad used, and it looked so nice on him. And by the way, if you're looking for a hair color that will cover white hair, this is perfect because it's really effective at covering the white hair. So this is dark ash brown as well. This was out of stock, and then I got like the last few pieces of the dark mahogany. I think this is like one of their best sellers as well. So I'm really glad that I got those. And then I just got this for if I want to change my hair to light brown. So yeah, who's the hoarder? You guys know who.